Hi everyone, I will show you how to apply the wallpaper in chat in Telegram. First of all, you need to open your Telegram app, then open the chat and tap to the three dots on the top right and go to set wallpaper, and you can see a choose wallpaper from gallery, then tap it and select your wallpaper and tap to tick icon in the bottom right. Now you can customize your wallpaper like this, blur and motion. And if you want to dim your wallpaper, then you can use this scale in the bottom. And if you want to change a light mode, then tap towards sun icon on the top right. And when you are done, then tap to apply for this chat option in the bottom. And your wallpaper will be applied in your chat. Thanks for watching our video. Please make sure to like and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more informative videos like this.